Nice run in transit?
Beautiful run, he bounced well, did all the basics really well, and my job was easy.
Very excited to be riding first seal today?
Yeah, I am. I'm really thrilled, and I just hope she gets a chance to win because and show how really good she is.
You're the man to give it to her. Thanks for your time.
I hope so, thank you.
James McDonald out there with Bernadette Cooper. Here's the winning trainer, and John O'Shea. That was pretty comfortable in the end, John. Yeah, he's two big Group 1 races today. James McDonald has a great hand in both of them. James, first of all, first seal, she looks the class.
Yeah, she's a very good filly. Obviously, everyone's got a query if she runs with 10 furlongs, but I don't think she will. I think she will, and she's obviously going to be very hard to beat.
She was pretty good over the trip in the Spring Champion Stakes going back a few months ago.
Yeah, I thought she was outstanding. That was a genuine run, 2000, and